Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado Double Custom Trail Boss. So, most people might know the Trail Boss for its 5.3 liter trim, kind of like a Raptor, but not many people know you can also get a Trail Boss in custom trim with the V6. So if you're just looking for a fun truck for the weekends, just do some light off-roading and stuff like that, and you don't need all the bells and whistles in the world, for $40,000 you can get a pretty nice truck and a very off-road capable truck. There's a couple big differences between the LT and the custom trim. Most importantly is this front fascia. You got Chevrolet badging right across the front. Still have your red tow hooks, but it uses the front end from the Silverado Custom, of course, instead of the LT or the RST. In the back, you don't have the bumper mounted taillights. Instead, you have a nice chrome exhaust tip poking out right here. Well, you can option for bed lining. This one doesn't have it, except on the tailgate. Have a nice little grab handle here, so if you want to get up into the bed, go onto the step side, do that, and you can also test the suspension a little bit. Other trucks, they'll have a step here. It's where the DEF would go if it was a diesel. I'm not sure if you can get these in a diesel or not. If you can, that would be an awesome truck. Back seat area. This is the double cab, so there's a little bit less room out back, but still not bad at all. With the custom being one step above the base work truck, it is pretty Spartan in here, but you still have a nice touchscreen. You still have really all the features you would ever need in a truck. This does fold up to make a third seat. Do have nice carpeted floor mats. A horn. But yeah, without further ado, put it in drive. .3 liter V6 is your base motor, even though it is not the one with the fewest cylinders. There's a bunch of different engine options for your Silverado between the 2500 and the 1500. Starting off, of course, with the 4.3 V6. Then you have your... That's pretty sweet. So, your engine options for the Silverado lineup, you have your 4.3 V6, then the 2.7 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, then the 3 liter Duramax diesel, then the 5.3. I'm not sure if you can get it in the Silverado. I haven't seen one personally, but the 6.2 that you can find in your Sierras. For the 2500, you have the 6.6 liter V8 and then the Duramax diesel. So you have a really, really vast array of options. This one does have the option for Sirius XM radio, which I'm a huge fan of because it makes driving these vehicles around not as bland when I'm trying to find a radio station that's not playing commercials. I have Sirius XM in my personal car and I absolutely love it. Do like the blacked out badging too that's found throughout the truck. Is a 6-speed automatic, but as you move up the ranks in the trim levels, you can find your 8 and 10 speeds. If you want to know why I went into low, because low is the only way you can use your manual shifting abilities. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.